Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. To me, one of the best inventions for our time period has to be silicone mats. This is a silicone mat from MODENGKONJIAN, and the mat really has so many different uses, and I find that the more that I use it, the more that I'm so happy that I got it. This is 16 by 12 size, and you can see that it has grids on the mat, making it so that nothing will slip once you put it on it. These mats are so great because they have multifunctional uses. For example, you could use this under your pet's food bowls, you could use it under your coffee machine, you could use it under your pans when you're cooking, but I really love it as a dish drying mat. I had cloth ones in the past and I always felt like I had to wash them because they had a weird odor. But this is literally so easy to clean. It dries super quickly and it stays put on the counter as well, because the cloth one always tended to move around, but this stays suctioned right onto the counter and I don't have to worry about my dishes. I love the 16 by 12 size because I really wanted to do a less is more approach around my sink area, and I love that it's super effective as well. Go for a multi-purpose mat like this one. You will really find that it really is so effective in everything in the kitchen. This one is great because of those grooves and it looks really good as well, but that's just my point of view.